Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some country chic farmhouse home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Country chic farmhouse home decor is a beautiful interior style that blends rustic farmhouse charm with soft, elegant details. It creates a home that feels warm, cozy, vintage inspired, and slightly refined, not too rough, not too modern. It is a farmhouse style made softer, prettier, and more stylish. Key features of country chic farmhouse decor. Rustic plus elegant mix combines natural farmhouse elements like old baskets and old furniture with soft, elegant touches like light fabrics and delicate decor. The result is both cozy and stylish. Natural and vintage materials uses distressed wood furniture, wicker, rattan, linen, and cotton, antique or thrifted pieces. These add character and history to your home. Use a soft and neutral color palette like whites, creams, beige, and soft gray. Pastel shades like light pink, shades green, and dusty blue. These colors create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Floral and romantic touches uses floral cushions, curtains, or wallpaper with fresh or giant flowers, soft feminine details. This is what makes it chic and charming, not just rustic. Mix of old and new, vintage decor plus a few modern features, handmade or DIY items. This mix and match style gives a collected of a time look. Overall feeling of the style, cozy and welcoming, light, airy and beautiful, slightly romantic and nostalgic, simple but elegant. It feels like a beautiful countryside cottage with a modern touch. The philosophy behind the style. This decor style is inspired by country living, for peaceful, simple, and nature connected. Vintage charm, items that feel meaningful and timeless. Soft elegance, adding beauty without being too fancy. The goal is to create a home that feels relaxing after a long day, warm and welcoming for guests, personal and meaningful. Furniture style and arrangement. Furniture is often slightly worn or distressed, not perfect. Features are comfortable and practical, not overly decorative. Layout is open and cozy, not crowded. Popular furniture choices: wooden tables with natural texture, slip-covered sofa in soft fabrics, vintage cabinets or display shelves. Nothing should feel too stiff or formal. It should invite you to sit and relax. Layering texture, very important. One of the secrets of this style is texture layering. Use soft linen curtains, cotton cushions, chunky knit drawers, or oven baskets, and wooden surfaces. Mixing textures make the space feel rich, cozy, and visually interesting, even with simple colors. Chic hidden details that make it chic. Small details bring the charm. Fresh or giant flowers in simple vases, lace or light fabric curtains, candles or warm lighting, vintage frames, mirrors or wall art. These touches add softness and personality to rustic elements. Connection to nature. Nature plays a big role in this style. Use indoor plants or herbs. Natural light, very important. Wooden, stone, and organic materials. The space should feel fresh, airy, and connected to the outdoors. Balance is the key. Country chic farmhouse work best. When you balance rustic and elegant, old and new, simple and decorative, too much rustic equal looks rough. Too much chic equal loses farmhouse charm. Timber styling ideas instead of decorating everything at once. Start with neutral base, like walls and furniture. Add layers slowly, like textiles, decor, and flowers. Mix in personal items, handmade and vintage finds. This creates a natural, effortless look, not staged or artificial. A country-chic farmhouse home feels like a calm countryside retreat, a cozy family space, a soft, romantic lived-in home. Deep dive into country-chic farmhouse home decor. The lived-in look very important. Country-chic farmhouse homes never look brand new or perfect. Your slightly worn furniture is welcome. Small imperfections and charm. Items don't need to match perfectly. The goal is a real home feeling, not a showroom. Color layering secrets. Instead of using only one color, this style uses soft layers of color. Base, white, cream, and soft gray. Secondary, base, taupe, and warm brown. Accent, pastel green, blush pink, and dusty blue. These layers create a calm but not boring look. Pro tip, keep colors muted, not too bright. Windows and thrifted decor magic. A big part of this style comes from flea market finds, old family items, DIY or handmade decor. Examples: old glass jars uses flower vases, wooden crates uses storage shelves, vintage mirrors use wall accents. These pieces make your home unique and personal. Cozy lighting style. Lighting in this style is always soft and warm, never harsh. Use warm bulbs, yellow tone, table lamps with fabric shades, candles, or fairy lights. Lighting should make your home feel relaxing and intimate, especially at night. Airy and light-filled spaces. Natural light is a key element. Keep windows open and uncluttered. Use shade or light curtains. Avoid heavy door coverings. This creates that fresh countryside feeling. Mixing patterns the right way. You can mix patterns but gently, florals, stripes, checks like Farmhouse Gingham. Keeps them in the same soft color family so it doesn't feel busy. Styling surface, simple jewel. Don't overcrowd surfaces. Use the least but meaningful jewel, a vase plus a book plus a candle, a tray with small decor items, a bowl of fruit or flowers. Leave some empty space to keep it calm and breathable. Emotional feel of the style. This decor style is loved because it creates comfort and peace, nostalgia, old memories feeling, warmth and softness, a welcoming atmosphere. It is perfect if you want your home to feel like a cozy countryside escape. It is about storytelling through decor. Every item in a country-chic farmhouse home should feel like it has a story. A handmade crochet cushion, a vintage tray from a market, a family photo in an old frame. Instead of buying everything new, this style focuses on meaningful pieces that reflect your life. Seasonal decorating, simple and natural. This style changes beautifully with seasons. Spring. Use fresh flowers, light fabrics, and pastel colors. For summer, use airy curtains, greenery, and simple decor. For autumn, use warm tones, dried leaves, and cozy texture. For winter, use soft blankets, candles, and warm lighting. You don't need big changes. Just small seasonal touches keep your home feeling fresh. Create cozy corners. The key idea is making small cozy spots in your home. A chair plus soft cushion plus soft throw blanket. A small table plus candle plus book. A window corner with light curtains. These corners make your home feel peaceful and inviting. Functional yet beautiful. Everything should be useful but also pretty. Basket. Storage plus decor. Trays. Organizing plus styling. Open shelves. Storage plus display. Nothing is just for show. Beauty and function go together. Simplicity over perfection. Country farmhouse is not about perfection. Don't over decorate it. Don't try to match everything. Leave a little imperfection. That is thought makes it feel natural and relaxed, not forced. Perfect for small spaces too. This style works beautifully in small homes. Light colors make spaces feel bigger. Multi-use decors save space. Open shelving keeps things airy. It is ideal if you want a simple, clutter-free but cozy home. Advanced styling tips. Use the rule of three. Group decor in three items looks balanced. Mix heights. Tall vase plus medium candle plus small items. Add soft scents, flowers or natural fragrances. Keep daily use items visible but styled nicely. Contributing farmhouse decor is about living simplicity but beautifully. Finding charm in small things. Creating a peaceful, happy home. It is not expensive or complicated. It is soft, personal, and full of warmth. The styling mindset, the secret. Contributing farmhouse is not about copying designs. It is about decorating slowly over time. Choosing items you truly love. Letting your home evolve naturally. The best homes in this style feel collected, not decorated. Imperfect beauty, wabi-sabi feel. This style quietly flows, a concept similar to wabi-sabi. Beauty in imperfection. Appreciation of aging and wear. Natural flaws are welcomed. Examples: slightly chipped paint on furniture, faded fabric textures, uneven wood grains. These imperfections create authentic charm. The art of understyling. A unique trick in this style is not filling every space. Leave empty corners or wall space. Keep shelves slightly minimal. Avoid too many decorations. This makes your home feel calm, spacious, and more elegant. Soft feminine touch, the chic element. What makes it chic? A state of just farmhouse. Light, flowy fabrics, floral or delicate patterns, soft curves, not sharp edged. Think lace curtains, ruffled cushions, gentle tones. It adds a romantic and graceful feeling. Everyday life is decor. In this style, even daily use items become part of decor. Plates displays on open shelves, clusters with cranes or spices, folded linens in baskets. Your home looks beautiful while being practical. Calm energy and solo living. Country chic farmhouse connects with a lifestyle similar to solo living. Slowing down daily life, enjoying simple moments, creating a peaceful environment. Your home becomes a place to relax, not rush. Simply luxury. Without expensive items. This style feels elegant without being costly. Clean, fresh spaces, soft textures, throughout arrangements. It is about taste and balance, not expensive furniture. At its heart, country chic farmhouse decor is simple but not plain, elegant but not fancy. Cozy but not cluttered. It is a perfect blend of comfort, beauty, and personality. The balance rule, most important principle. Everything in this style depends on balance. Too rustic feels rough and heavy. Too chic feels overly delicate and artificial. The goal is the perfect middle point. Rough wood plus soft fabric. Simple furniture plus elegant details. Old pieces plus a few fresh accents. Creating a focal point in each room. Every room should have own main highlight. Example, living room, a cozy sofa with layered cushions. Kitchen, open shelves with styled dishes. Bedroom, a soft, inviting bed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.